Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through step by step how to sew a drawstring bag. This is a great beginner's sewing project that anyone can do with very minimal supplies. The supplies I'm going to be using today are a piece of material. We have got a piece of ribbon, a small tape measure, a small safety pin, some scissors, heat press mini and a mat and a sewing machine. Take a piece of material to match the size of the drawstring bag you wish to make. Today I'm just going to make a smallish drawstring bag, but you can use the same formula we're going to use to make a large drawstring bag as well. First thing we're going to do is I'm just going to take my easy press mini and I'm just going to iron a crease at the bottom. I'm going to open up the material and we're just going to fold in both ends, and that's where the ribbon is going to go for the drawstring part. And then if we close it up again, we can make sure they are both level and in line. The last thing we want is a wonky top to our drawstring bag. When it's folded where you want it to be, we're just going to again run the easy press over it to make a crease. Once we've done one side, then going to repeat that on the other side. Next, we're going to pop the material right sides together, and we are going to sew down each side, leaving about a ½ centimetre seam allowance, and we're going to do a back stitch at the start and at the end to secure the stitches. Now that's been sewn, we're just going to trim off the loose threads. We're going to open up the seam and press it open, and while we're doing that, we're just going to go all the way up to the top to keep the material in line. So we're going to fold it back all the way up to the top and then just press that. And we're going to repeat the same with the other side. If it's made any creases in your bag, then we can just run the easy press over the centre as well to keep that nice and neat. We're now going to fold back over our folded pieces of material, and we're now going to stitch a straight stitch all the way along the bottom, again doing a back stitch at the start and end. Once we've sewn the edges, we're then going to again trim off any of the loose pieces of cotton. Now we're going to turn our bag the right way round, and we're just going to poke out the corners. And this is how our cute little bag is looking so far. Taking the ribbon now, we're just going to attach the safety pin at the end, and we are going to push it through the hoops at the top, and we're just going to push it all the way through using the safety pin and pull the ribbon through, and then we're going to go back through the other side. I like to measure about 4 inches of ribbon at either side of the bag, so I've got enough to tie up the ends and to pull the drawstring. So we're just going to cut the ribbon, and then we're going to do the same again, but this time we're going to thread it through the other way. And again, I'm going to measure my 4 inches. Trim the ribbon. Now we can tie up the ends of each piece of ribbon and trim off any of the frayed pieces. And now we have a cute drawstring bag. Making these little drawstring bags really is a great beginner's sewing project, and they can be made in any size to fit your requirements. They're also great if you make them in plain material, then you can sublimate on them, or you can add vinyl and add names and designs on the front to make them more personalised to gift them for Christmas, birthdays or Easter. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, then I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you for watching, goodbye for now.